By Gubio.
Boga. I still all the bad news. Don't be joking.
Baby, so you are hiding here. Why haven't you been taking my calls? Is it because of your empty promises?
I told you to wait for
baby,
me.
Hey, you promised to buy me an iPhone 13 on my birthday. Last week was my birthday. Where's the phone? Where is the phone?
It's okay, you just go. I'll do it.
I'm not moving an inch. Where is the phone?
Oh, you know something? See, you know, I'm just sharing my mind with my friend. So you go on, I'll be with you very soon.
Is that a promise?
Yeah, that's a promise.
You know what I can do?
Please.
Hey, now what's up?
I go promise I'll go buy a phone 30 for him every day. Right now, they're watching me like this.
Hey, buy you make me up.
Boy,
my come out from 13. You no go fi buy.
Boy, what the money dey? See, I work on my bags. I dey go my cousin there. No bet nothing.
So you know the bet.
The bet oh no good. Charlie.
Hey, Charlie, you are missing out. So I'm going to head off one less bet.
One less bet. Oh, bro, show me.
Where your phone day
Here, boy.
You get bundle.
I get bundle.
Go Play Store.
So make I download the app.
Download one less bet.
Hey, Charlie.
Sharp, bro.
Okay, download.
Okay. Do the registration. Register with the promo code Vision 2020.
2020.
Yeah. Stake a bet. On your first deposit, 200% bonus. Yeah, they talk you.
Charlie boy, you sure?
You will stake. I did here.
Okay, they inside.
And then we come out from 13.
Hey, Charlie boy, see. The day inside, Charlie boy. You will. Oh, I swear, see.
Have you talked to you?
I swear to the place I go buy a phone.
You that, bro.
You, Charlie boy, honest bet.
Hey, bro. No, where you go?
Oh, I need.
Yeah, Vision Nation, baby.
Previously on Peer Pressure.
And you, what are you doing with my boyfriend? The last time I checked, no girl spoke to him. Not to talk about this particular location. Now get lost. Get lost!
Go girl, 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 go girl.
Really love that.
That's so beautiful.
Yeah. Anyway, so what next?
And it's okay. I see I'm a quite friend level. No one next level. You have a child room to cry. No, that's all Mukasa. Hi.
Cake in the building. It's first to the KEL fan.
Violin.
Yeah. Vision Nation. Say, Mobian Dada, more in Brady, and one pay your crab one pair. Mobian pressure. Pim caught on strong man best strength. School girl CP needs to buy open now for some day I'll be a lesbian. Fraud boys P no boy or back class hour depends no one team seen to the bank. More in break. And Satanya back here 240. Peer pressure, it be real so 1 can't see me never found yeah and I'm in my wood. It became Mojeku for the council, trying to 7 flex I know any other. Sugar mama phone you date or no didn't come out what sure say yeah my pap.
Be any fear free to ye be a tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Be any fear free to ye be a tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And yes, I before peer pressure before. Before peer pressure before. Before peer pressure before. Before peer pressure before.
Peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure.
I feel so fly when I try.
Sammy, yes dear. Could you believe Sister Sheila warned me yesterday? Warned you? Yes. For what reason? I was just having a chit chat with High Spirit, and she came in being jealous, shouting at me, thinking I have something doing with him.
Isn't she your school mother?
Yeah, she is. You, let me ask. Do you like that senior?
Oh no, how can I do that? I don't love him. I just like the way he is.
You better be careful. Don't say I didn't tell you.
Okay. Sister,
How are you all?
you are fine.
Yes. What Mary is saying is right. Yes, it is very, very important you stay away from those guys. Okay? You have to stop flirting with them. They are not serious. You see, they have only some weeks to leave the school. And have you ever seen them reading their books before?
Yeah.
They are aimless. They just walk around anyhow. Please, I beg you. If you need any advice, you come to me. And if you need prayers, you go to Sister Mary.
Okay, thank you very much.
You are welcome.
I'll do just that.
Okay. I have a class, so I'll leave you here.
Thank you.
Take care.
When I'm heart's chilling me, now the world is feeling me. Mama drop the melody. I'm on floor.
Sheila, you have been moody since we came here. Yesterday when we closed from school, we never saw you. And when we asked, we were told you left earlier to the house. And besides, today you didn't come to school. What is it?
Talk to us, baby girl. We are your friends. What's the problem? Huh? High Spirit asked of you, but we couldn't find any better answer for you. And your phone is off. That's why we came here to check on you. What is it? Talk to us, girl.
It's High Spirit.
What again?
High Spirit is cheating over me with Richla, my school daughter.
Richla? No.
No, I can't believe this.
And you know what? I saw them. And after seeing them, I sacked Richla. And High Spirit was admiring the girl in front of me.
What? No.
I don't believe
This
this. No. Whoa. So is that the reason why you punished that girl? Without any reason?
What could I have done? Do you know how it feels like being cheated on?
This is so embarrassing. I mean, no, he can't do this to you.
I don't believe that.
And he had the guts to ask you people about me. High Spirit.
He was very worried.
You know what? We have to deal with this, okay? Just relax and come to school.
Huh?
This is no
Cheer up.
matter for you to stay in the house and I mean, okay? Let's see you in school tomorrow. Okay?
Chill,
Relax.
Aww. Chill,
What's
girl.
that?
If you could give me one chance, I'ma change everything about you. If you could do this favor, I'ma make your world look so blue. I'm a new guy. I'm a new guy. I'm a change, but I never wanna go back. Wanna be the wrong for you, you know that. Girl, I'm easy.
Stop embarrassing me.
Silla, when are you going to stop all this?
Stop what?
Can't you forgive me?
You were admiring the girl in front of me. Hello? What do you take me for, huh? I had always loved you ever since Princess embarrassed you that day. And look at what you are also doing to me.
Silla, why are you playing hard on this issue? Richla is just a school daughter. Richla is not a school daughter, no. Getting ourselves drink some will be here.
You're not in my shoes. That's why you're talking like that.
I can't play with your heart.
Of course you are.
You are my baby. You are my girl. What am I coming to? See, you me book shows to see you. You will see a chum Sheila. You are my all in all. My bread and my butter.
So why do you keep embarrassing me?
Oh, forget about embarrassment. I was just appreciating your school daughter.
I'm not going to accept that.
Sheila.
Please. Better find something better to tell me.
Sheila, I'm not dating that girl.
Really? No, it's painful. I wish you were in my shoes. It's very painful. My school daughter, when you'll be asking my school daughter. Please. Don't come close to me. Leave me alone. What is that? Are you thinking about your friends or are you thinking about the relationship?
I'm not thinking about my friends.
I'm thinking about you. Step back.
Silla.
There ain't no one here to call my own. Oh, now that you're gone, there ain't no one here to be my own. Tears all up on me, tears all up on me. Yeah. I'm sorry for the time that
Rachel, why are you stressing me like this? Come on, tell me something good. I'm ever ready to spoil you with money. So to church you won't let me be another.
See, you have few months to write your exams. Instead of you to concentrate on your books, you are here proposing to me. You know something? When you complete school, after that I will also complete school. Then you come to my house and propose to me, but not here. Do you get it?
Concentrate on what? And what exams are you talking about? See, let me tell you something. I'm just part of that candidate, but me I run of money.
Really?
What are exams? Me exams will me being home. Me say that proper the work came. Rachel, pa.
You know, you need to calm down for her, okay? I know things will go. So just be patient. Once you're married, sometimes some kind of jealousy and so the embra from Kakrama, I know say as time passes by, she'll come by.
Bro, make relax, give up. Like small time will be.
Like there is something that I don't get it from here. Why is she behaving that way? How can I date Rachel? And that is the more reason why we are I just like the child. We know that Rachel is just a friend to you. Oh my girl, no one can think it.
Bro, make you relax, give up.
As a body,
make you relax, give up. Go be.
Only steady.
Charlie, let's move. Let's go. Charlie. Go cross.
See, you are not serious at all. As for me, I want a man with an integrity, but not a fraudster like you. Excuse me.
Hey, Rachel. Rachel. You know, children too fiambi. I'm no kasa wa twa for so ko na school when the rules school asen here. We try high stamp crop mususa. Fuck it. Hey, ya pam sana man plan school e be hia o, e be twa ja atum say dem papa say. So no chira. No better man ka.
Baby, your body I go die for. Yeah. You there for my brain top. It be like I dey see you clear when the light up. Yeah. Your body give me gunshot. Baby, you see to my super nana. So take me home, make I thank your mama. I no go do you as a baby chop. This way I no go shatter you, I no be bandana. Give it to me, make I cheer the summer. My sweet your come below, I dey feel it. The way
Hey! Open the door.
Janet, so can't you just respect yourself? Can't you realize that human beings are eating and so you don't have to mingle with them?
Since when did you even start mingling with human beings? Because the last time I checked,
I don't blame you. I blame the headmaster for admitting a sickler like you to the school.
Exactly.
What is sleeping?
And listen, do we work like this? No.
Do we? Take your food and leave! No! Take it! Leave! Leave! Nonsense! Pack and go!
I've lost appetite. Temptation, girl.
Come and eat! You want to eat?
Janet. Janet, please stop crying. Stop crying. Janet, I know how you feel. Stop crying, please. I beg you. Stop crying and listen to me. Hello. Nobody knows destiny. I do not know why your friends are treating you like this, but let me tell you one thing, that nobody knows destiny. The Bible states something in Matthew chapter 5 verse 9 that blessed are the peacemakers, and they shall be called the children of God. I know you stand for peace. Please, me pesa wo beka asembia ebetia omo obia ennim destiny, obia ennim sene obi abrabo ebekwa akosi. I beg you in the name of God, please stop crying. God is going to do marvelous things in your life and it will shock them. Stop crying, okay? Please, just stop. Stop crying.
Am I not a human being?
You are, please, my dear. You are a perfect human being. You are a perfect human being. Stop crying, okay? Please, I beg you. Stop crying. Stop crying. Stop crying. Let me Gina, stop crying. I beg you.
You control the summer. That's a sign of a gun in a middle. Oh, my baby, go down. My baby, go down.
This Rolex. Yeah. It's very expensive, you know. Keep it low. I don't want you to tell me that this one too is missing, okay?
I will. Don't worry.
Yeah, good.
You don't. Something is wrong.
Derby. Every day something is wrong. What is it again?
We have to talk about this.
What is it?
I want you to speak to High Spirit. Now on Jai saw Nessa from one girl's name movie around all over the school.
My own High Spirit moving around with the Form 1s in the school?
Oh yes.
You know something? Also, look at our status in this school. It's like more or less everybody wants to flirt with us.
Hey. Don't defend him.
No, I
don't pretend you don't know anything that's going on. He's your friend, so you are defending him.
Mary, have you seen Juliet? Alright, do a word to call her for me, okay? Alright.
Derby, listen to me. High Spirit is like more or less my blood, you know? And as a warrior, I will tell him. You understand? And I know, say, it's because of the Form 1 girl, Rachel and Tinema Okasasa. But let me tell you one thing. Rachel can never date High Spirit, and High Spirit will never date this small girl. You understand? You know, say, Sheila, a school daughter, how come?
Exactly. I'm going to make her because I punish a girl for no reason.
Really?
Yes, because this morning I punish a girl for.
In the dormitory?
Oh, yes.
Wow.
So talk to him. Now, on Jai saw me, I can't judge him because I have a friend now.
What's wrong with you? In the house, a train.
Students now more table.
Because I guess I'm a meeting.
Students now more table. Anytime we are make what I know, no muscle. Else I'm so I don't know. The mommy will not be fair or time.
This is so ridiculous. What did I make? That discrimination.
You know
and
something?
come to think of it, I had no night, none I am get to know. And you only boys, and I'm a girl some quantity bar. So how come that small girl was here? How come? So something is going on, yes.
You mean Rachel came here? This is news to me. Anyways, you listen. I'm gonna tell High Spirit about it, and I know everything will be fine. But me say, High Spirit will never date this small girl. You understand? Just keep calm and everything will be fine, okay?
You better do so.
Hey, baby girl.
Janet. What did you catch one say? So be a so power some no on domain. No be a true one. Can you say any papa or dosing you dear? Now, or dosing you dear. Tiama one in J, don't maybe a you any if you are moving. Ma one in J, now would you chida? You best swallow on theatre. What's it be the way you see any issue? Will be in a way. It's yes, you found what's it be any good. Jai soon and a moment in J. Shall be able. Now, Pondo. Surely, woman. A face, remember you say when you are. It's a dear no meaning. Our name is you. It's never been wrong. Now put some smile on your face. Look at baby now. Okay. And dear now you also on my problem. Debbie, at least I was so never be so young. Come on them. Come in those say. Look up her drink come on why. Me so the demand you with the band. I'm a first one for a year myself. But that's the same. Cover our that's how I was doing.
High Spirit, come to think of it, Sheila is not too happy about your friendship with Rachel. It's a bit more catchy and said, shun that little girl because it is bringing problems to this clique.
High Spirit, make it dog that Rachel girl. She'll be the best girl for you, Bob.
I have noticed this. She has started giving me attitude. And I don't really like that. But why is she doing that? Rachel is just a small sister, a school daughter. What are you trying to tell me? You and I know say Akolani, he's just a sister, just a friend to you. Very good for saying that. But Sheila is not going to take it like that. And that is the more reason why you need to show this little girl. And you are supposed to defend me. I am defending you in all areas. But where you lie wrong. And this is where you are also wrong. Now, are you supposed to advise me or to attack me? I am not attacking you. For crying out sake, you're addressing issue. Yes, and this is the time you need to show that little girl. Now, the way I will see Kasano, you're trying to put blames on me. I am not putting any blames on you, my friend. I said, yeah, I didn't know cray, and I'm immediately see. But you are aware, sir. I can't just a friend to me. Just a friend to you. Are you not aware? I am aware of it, but Sheila will not take it easy. No. Listen. Let me tell you something. Let's end this. Matthias here. I'm going to cut that friendship. Simple. Just to create some distance between us. But I can't hit that girl because of Sheila. I just like her. I just admire. I'm a party. You see your problem. Also, I'm a school daughter. You see your problem. The little girl Rachel here is what? A daughter to Sheila. Very good. So give that limit. So and stop moving up and down with this little girl. No more father and daughter affair. Oh, Charlie. Matthias, I'll just cut that. So when Jaya, I call on me, I met him Guanopa. Charlie, they say it's okay. Huh? It's okay, Martin. That's all. Cool, period.
Thank you for watching the Pressure TV series. Hey, Nash. But let me tell you the easiest way to get the money back. Just take your phone, download OneXBet on Play Store or Apple Store. Register with the promo code Vision 2020 and get a chance of winning 200% bonus. OneXBet now, my partner here for Ireland.
Candy beat.
Janet, madam, what is the problem? You look very troubled.
Madam, please, it's about my mates.
What about them?
Madam, the way they are treating me is, I don't like it. Madam, please, they don't talk to me, they don't play with me, they don't even let me, they don't even want to study with me. Only Mary who is doing that. Anytime I go to dining, the way they are doing, I don't like it.
Janet, it's okay.
But I want to leave this.
No. And you kept this to yourself all this while.
And I was finding a time to tell you.
Don't be worried, okay?
But I don't know if you are a disabled person. That means you are not
Janet, it's okay. Don't worry, I know what I will do about it. Okay?
You are doing as if I'm not in my feet.
Just stay calm, okay? You are even getting me sad. Don't be worried. Get inside your tree. I know what I'll do about it. See, look at me. Don't cry, okay?
Madam, I won't cry.
Alright. Very good.
Thank you,
Good evening, class.
Good evening, madam.
How are you? It's fine, but I'm not happy. I'm very, very sad to see you. I came here this evening purposely to address an issue. I'm not happy at all about something that I heard. Janet, please come forward. Who is she to you? She's our classmate. I can't hear you well. She's our classmate. Your classmate. Very good. So I will say she is your sister. Why do you have to treat your fellow human being as a trash? It's very sad to treat her just like nobody. I'm not here to point fingers, but I'm just here to let you understand something. I hope you understand what I mean. Even in the Bible, God created us in His own image. So if God created us in His own image, then nobody is different from God. We are as same as God. So why are you treating your fellow sister as a common trash? Am I making sense here?
Yes, madam.
Please,
Please, I'm pleading with you. Treat her as a sister. Treat her just as like you. Draw her closer to you. Learn with her. Talk to her. Make her feel comfortable. If you do that, then she feels very isolated. She feels she's not part of you. Do you think it's her fault?
No.
I'm asking you.
No.
Whatever situation that she is in now, do you think it's her fault?
No.
Let me tell you a common thing. We reap what we sow. It's also in the Bible. Whatever you sow, you reap it. So if you don't treat your fellow human being as yourself, then remember, one day, you are going to reap it. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
The Bible also said, love your neighbor as yourself. I'm sure we've all heard about this.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't want to hear anything. As I told you earlier on, I came here purposely to address, I don't want to point figures or I don't want to mention names. From henceforth, I don't want to hear any complaint from her again. I'm begging you. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next on peer pressure.
And that stupid son of yours can never be part of us. So warn him to stop bothering us.
You better talk to me mannerly because I'm the senior school prefect.
Jarvis, do you know one thing? Let me tell you what you've forgotten.
See, I promise you. Anytime my mom sends me money, I will give it to you. Even my provisions, I will give it all to you, Richie, please. Richie.
Could you imagine she wants me to be her boyfriend?
And what did you tell her?
I rejected her proposal.
You rejected her proposal?
Of course, yes.
What reason? I was trying to consider you to work with a famous student. Eh? Come and pimp on me your guy now me find out young stars how the better me. You know what you be?
Famous my foot. Excuse me.
Yeah.
K in the building. It's first to the K Elvin.
Violin.
Yeah. Visionation. Say, Mobian Dada, more in Brady and one pay your crab one pair. Mobian more pressure. Pim caught on strong man best string. Schoolgirl CP needs to buy open and for some day I'll be a lesbian. Fraud boys P no boy or back class hour depends no team seen to the bank. More in break and Satanya back here 240. Peer pressure, it be real so I can't see me never found yeah and I'm in my wood. It became Mojeku for the council, trying to 7 flags yeah, I know any other. Sugar mama phone you date or no didn't come out or choice say yeah, my papa.
Obiani fear free to ye be a tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Obiani fear free to ye be a tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And yes, I be peer pressure be